Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to solve question number 1 of weekly contest 465, restore finishing order. So let's read the problem statement. You are given an integer array order of length n and an integer array friends. Order contains every integer from 1 to n exactly once, representing the IDs of the participants of a race in their finishing order. Friends contains the ID of your friends in the race sorted in strictly increasing order, and each ID in friends is guaranteed to appear in the order array, right? So we have to return an array containing your friends IDs in their finishing order. So very simple problem here. If you see example number 1, so these are your friends, right? And these friends, these are sorted in strictly increasing order, right? So first one, then you see three, then you see four. Okay, increasing order, right? So here this order is nothing but the finishing order, right? So your friend is one, so here your friend is three, and your friend is four, right? So here if you see the finishing order, three is your friend, right? Three is your friend. One is also your friend. Four is also your friend. So if you see the order 3, 1 and 4, so this is the output, right? The finishing order is 3, 1, 2, 5, 4. So here 3, 1 and 4, right? Therefore the finishing order of your friends is 3, 1, 4. That's it. Example number 2, 2 and 5 are your friends, right? So first here 5 appears and then 2 appears, so 5, 2 is the output. And these are the constants. N is from 1 to 100. Order contains every integer from 1 to n exactly once, and friends dot length from 1 to minimum of 8 comma n, and friends of I value 1 to n, and friends is strictly increasing. So very simple. What you need to do here, for this friends array, just create one set, right? So in set I will add 1, 3, 4. Now once you create one set, then just iterate over all the elements in the order. So here first you are here, so just check if your set contains 3. Yes, because now if I create the set, then the operations are of 1, right? All the operations to search, right? So here 3, my set contains 3, so yes. Then 1, my set contains 1, yes. Then my set contains 2, no, skip. My set contains 5, no, skip. My set contains 4, yes. So add that. So in the end just return this, that's it. So now I'm moving to the code part. So here we have to store all the friends in a set for a quick lookup. This is what I'm doing. Then we have to use a list to collect the valid sequence elements in the sequence. So I'm creating one array list, and then I'm iterating over all the numbers in the order, and I'm checking if my set contains all these numbers. If yes, then in the sequence I'm going to add those numbers, right? So I've created array list, right? But I have to return the output in array type, right? So what I need to do, I have to convert the list back to array. So here I'm creating one result array, same size of sequence array list, and then I'm just iterating over all the elements in my list, and I'm passing the values to my array, right? And in the end I'm just going to return the result. That's it. So I hope that you guys are able to understand question number 1 of weekly contest 465. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.